Hey, it's Matt from Tradesman Digital Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the Google Search Partners Network. I'm going to go over what it is, the benefits of using it, when you should and shouldn't be using it, and how to actually go about turning it on and off inside your campaigns. So to start off, what is the Google Search Partners Network? And by definition from Google, it is sites that partner with Google to show ads and free product listings. Now, Google doesn't give us an extensive list of all of these websites and actual search engines it partners with, but there's a few that are commonly known. Some of them include YouTube, Amazon, the New York Times. There's a whole bunch of other ones like search engines like dogpile.com, ask.com. There's a pretty wide range of all of these search networks. Now, the benefits and cons of using this is generally if you really need search volume, you're not getting enough clicks, you're not getting enough impressions, I would recommend trying out the Google Search Partners Network. That being said, you should really watch it carefully because Google doesn't actually monitor this as well as Google's native platform. So as you can see here, everyone's familiar with the actual Google ads. They appear at the top part of your screen, like in this diagram here. They're very, very trusted, very monitored by Google. However, on their Search Partners Network, these ads aren't as monitored, and sometimes they can have a higher frequency of click fraud and just a lower value overall, higher cost per conversion, just lower value. And this isn't always the case. Sometimes the Search Partners Network is absolutely phenomenal and sometimes even beats Google. And everyone's situation is unique, so you can't just take a general principle and apply it to every single account. Generally, we don't find the search partners perform as well, and we try to stay away from it. However, if we do need more search volume, we will definitely try the search network out and see if it works for us. If it does, that's great. If it doesn't, we turn it off and try something else. However, the Search Partners Network is always a great option. Now, how do we actually go about turning on the Search Partners Network inside Google Ads if we choose to use it? What we have to do is come over here to our Google Ads account, click on the campaign we want to use. So for this one, we're going to use the lead search campaign here. We're going to come over here to settings. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to come down here to networks. And as you can see, both of these are not checked. Now, this is the display network. I would highly advise staying away from this. If you want to make a display campaign, make a display campaign. Don't use the display network. It's just very difficult to actually monitor, optimize, and in almost every situation. I don't generally make definites here on Google Ads, but I feel very strongly about that you should just never use. I don't really see any reason why you would want to use this over a normal display campaign. There's just no real way to optimize it. It's just very, very bad. However, the search network can be useful. And sometimes if we need more search volume and sometimes the leads coming from there are very good. So, you have to look at your own situation, test it out, always follow the data. If we want to turn this on, all we have to do is check this off and hit save. And now we are using the Google Search Partners Network. And our ads are going to be able to appear on search results and other Google sites when people search for the terms that are relevant to our keywords. So this is good. One thing I would recommend is actually going into your actual keywords and then segmenting the data out by network. This will allow you to actually look at the difference. So if you have conversions coming from the Google Search Partner Network versus Google's organic platform, you'll be able to tell it. It will give you a nice little segmentation where you can see the two different networks so you can easily see where your conversions are coming from, the cost per click, the conversion rates, everything there. You can easily tell which is going to be performing better and if you should get rid of the Search Partners Network or keep it. So that's everything for the Google Search Partners Network. If you want to actually get more impressions, get more clicks, definitely try it out. That being said, please actually follow the data on this. Sometimes the search network just spends a lot of money and doesn't really see great results. Now, if you're looking to build campaigns very, very quickly, check out our automatic campaign builder. It's absolutely awesome. We can make entire campaigns in as little as 15 minutes, so that's definitely a thing you should check out if you're interested in building out campaigns very fast. Comes with a whole bunch of headlines, comes with a whole bunch of descriptions. It's literally plug and play. You can build out tons of campaigns very, very quickly. We use this for every single one of our campaigns, and it's the sponsor of today's video because why not? So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the Search Partner Network, leave it down in the comment section down below. I'd be happy to answer them. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day and take care.